welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be only using purple fidgets for this video. So I got all my fidgets I have, but wait, let me pop them first.
And she also got this one.
No, I put the wrong one.
No. Show him.
No. Me?
Also mochis.
No, but those are not purple. Wait, let me first put them all, and then I'll be don't grab my stuff.
I'm just gonna give it.
Okay, there. Now we have this. I'm putting all the purple things I have. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, yeah. Okay, now let's do it. So we'll start with this one. This one, people say it's what is it? People say this is a simple dimple, so it's been a long time. Okay, pop all of them.
Doesn't need. I didn't care about the sign because I had it this one.
And yeah, this one is really good for traveling. So if you're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna use this for package for just in case if I'm bored, I'm gonna just use this. But it's like, yeah, puppets are waterproof, so vroom.
Doesn't he pop the purple one?
This is not purple.
There.
Okay, now.
Oh guys, this is a fidget spinner. Look.
I also have one. Well, mine is like little. I'm just gonna pop these because those are the only ones that are purple. I mean, like closer to purple. Okay, now let's this one. And my thing is purple because we're in a theme of purple. Now let's play with this. It looks blue for some reason, but it's purple. Look at this. I can play like, look at my nails. Wait, what are they called? Look at my nails. I slap these because they're my nails. I do not take L's. And then I slap these customized nails. Okay, who freak? Not dirty. Okay.
Oh my god.
Now this is the worst part.
Zinni, don't show this part. Guys, look at this cutie.
He thinks that looks like him.
Yeah.
But that's a girl.
I can know.
It is a girl.
I can know.
Look at this. I can hear my sweet melody. Okay, so I'm falling. Sorry, I just had that song in my head. It's really good. So, I'll rate this one. Oh my god. Okay, I'm writing them later. These are right now so far what I'm using. What the heck? Wait. Is that on?
You're struggling again with the light.
Like the last video. No, I fell down. Sorry guys, difficulties. I don't know why you see that.
It's disconnected.
Girl. Oh my god, wait guys. Oh my god. I'm having real bad luck. But we're into it. Yeah. So we'll be right back. I'm so sorry, but I'm back. Let me just move this a little bit. Okay, it might look weird. I'm trying to fix this, but yeah. Let me just. Oh no, these don't. I'm gonna read these at the end of the video. And yeah. Just put this straight. Do work for me. Because one brother doesn't want to help me. And then what's his name? His name is John C. No, I'm joking.
These are all my mini puppets, guys.
Oh, this is really weird. And really hard to do.
Okay, so
Please, I swear, this falls. Need help. Yeah, I might have to hold it. But yeah, this is what I'm working with. Yeah. Let me just. Girl! Get your squealy. Because I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening to it. So. Ugh. We'll be right back again. Sorry about that, but we're back. Okay. So we'll be rating this at the end. Now let's go with. Yeah, this is my favorite one. As you can tell by my face. Okay. I don't know why does it look like this. On camera it looks like this. I don't know why. It's weird. How this easily breaks. But I love the texture.
guys,
though.
her sister is Zaleki.
No, it's not.
You act. Guys, she has a lot of friends, but not me.
He's broke. No, I'm joking. Okay, now. Yeah. Do this. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna be rating it at the end of this video. Okay, sorry about that. If you know where I'm putting this, it's like. Purple fidget, purple fidget, purple fidget. Now our last and final one. Pop It. This was I think my second Pop It that I had. Yeah, but I have so many Pop Its. So if y'all want to see that video of showing out all my Pop Its, like this video and subscribe for y'all can see all my Pop Its. Because y'all need to see all my Pop Its, like seriously. Okay. This is, yeah. I'm going to be showing you which one was my first one. Which the first one, it is my favorite and it matches basically I think with this. Okay. I need to go pee, guys. I need to go to the restroom. Sorry about that. We're back. Finally. Can you let me be? Okay.
You peed.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
do you mean? No, I'm joking. No. So yeah. Oh yeah, guys, you want to see my new studio that I made? AKA my closet. But this is really pretty. I love how it now turned out. Now I can do my videos like, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna be rating them all. So it's gonna be juicy. First one, we're going with this octopus. Squid. I think it's octopus, so I love octopus. It's my favorite sea animal, other than turtles. Yeah. So this one, it's like really rubbery than this one. Like this one is really rough than this one. So I'll rate this like an 8 out of 10. Really cute. But if I had a jumbo one, then this would be my favorite. This. Like now let me do the dice clase bonita samari polo dice okay, now let's do, which one do I know next? Oh wait, what else? Cup and woke up, call your dad. Okay, nothing. So yeah, I'm gonna rate this an 8 out of 10. It's still good, but this is still my favorite. But yeah. Now, the next one we're going to be rating is a slime. Yeah, slime. So, this one is real. Oh, no, it's not that one. Next one is this one. This is really satisfying to hear. And I imagine it like I'm a wizard. Like, whoa. So, at the end of this video, after I'm done rating it, I'm going to show you a tour of mine. Yeah, I'm gonna rate this like a 9 out of 10. Or like a 9.6 out of 10. It's good, but it's really loud. Yeah, it's really loud. But it's good, so yeah, I'm gonna rate it a 9.6. Now, it's the slime. I think it's the slime, is it? Yeah. Hopefully it is. Okay, this feels like, I don't know, what is it? Like, just these little thingies. But yeah, I'm gonna rate this. It's like a doughy kind of texture. But it's good. It's good, but it's like a doughy texture. So, yeah. So I'm gonna rate this like a 7.9 out of 10. It's like a weird texture, but like also a good texture at the same time. But I don't like that. But yeah, it's a 7 out of 10. 7.9 out of 10. Sorry. Now, I recommend. No, wait, and now we're doing this. So basically, when I'm bored, this is broken. Basically, when I play with this, and you know those ones, wait, let me pop them. Let me first pop them. So every time when I play with these, I basically put them in my hand, and they sometimes hurt. For some reason, they hurt. I don't know why, but I have to give it a 5 out of 10. It's good. I love the color. I love like the little popping thingy. You can use it as traveling. You can just be like, "Sup, dude? Have this pop it." So good. But yeah, it's good. It's just not my vibe. Like a 5 out of 10. It's good, I think. Now this one. This one. It's really satisfying, but not kind of my vibe, but it's really good. Back then, like when I was like 7 or 8, then I used to like Galaxy for some reason, and I still do. But this is why I like it. Like a Galaxy color, it's just really nice color for me. That's why I picked this one. So this one I gave it like, do I have to? Okay. I don't know what to rate it. Sorry about that. I don't know what to give it. Like, I think an 8.9 out of 10. It's good, but it's really good. It's like really good. So yeah, that's my ratings for all of them. So now I'm gonna show you the reveal of magic power. No, I'm joking. Oh yeah, guys, yesterday I tried to make a matcha. It just got destroyed. So I was like, why did I do this? And now I have to get a new cup. And this one was literally my favorite. I don't know why did I thought doing this. I was like, oh, I hope it tastes good with hot water. Now I was wrong. The hot water, it tasted no sweet. I did not even taste all the sugar. I was like, what in the world? I thought I was supposed to taste the sugar. No sugar. So now I have to what? Oh my god. And I thought it was gonna be, oh, it just shrinked, it's fine. Do you really had to? Yeah. But this is what happened to it. I mean, it kind of looks cool from this part, but this part is not. But if it could shrink just a little bit more from here, then it would be much beautiful. But no, it didn't. But it's now broken. And my dad said to throw it away when I get a new cup. Girl, I was like, fine. Just fine. And then me dying on the inside. So yeah. Let me just show you, Anita. Let me first turn on the lights. Let me do magic. There you go. What you think? Okay. Now let's get it. Basically, it's really dark. So yeah. I might have to put this this it is. You kind of sweet it, cause yeah. What's up? Okay. Don't really miss. Yeah. It's really like calm studio, which there is where I'm gonna do my videos. Like I'm gonna put it right there. Right there. You camera. Then I'm gonna use this for the light. I'm already using one for that. Oh yeah, I have a little stitch. Which those you might ask. Use it for I'm gonna use it for my backpack. Sorry guys. But yeah. Thank you all for watching this video. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe and turn on the notifications bell on when I post a brand new video. Like, what the hell? What in the world is that? Comment down below what is that, cause I don't know what it is. Ew, what the heck is that? Wait, what? What? I have it in every side of the house. What the heck? My brother used to live in this. Now I know why he left. Yeah, I know why. Yeah. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe. Bye, guys!